If you like a Singapore sling, you may actually love the Jungle Bird.
That was a tough night. I literally went downstairs because it was winter, and I like started the car, and I was like,
I have to go for like a 3 plus maybe 13-hour drive, whatever. I have to stop at every Dunkin' all day because I got to keep refreshing.
oh
You
yeah.
ask the cash register
Yeah.
for the key,
Oh,
which
the
they will
bathroom.
give you. Yeah.
Oh, I'm like, they lock you in? I think that's against fire.
Dude,
I'm outside. I'm outside, kid.
I'm not inside.
Yeah, I'm not inside, kid.
that's how Tiki needs to be. Tiki is an exploration.
Brings you.
Yeah, it's exploration of social norms.
It is a gateway to a mind fuck.
So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the Home Bartender Starter Kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Danny and Derek going to show you how to make a Jungle Bird. It's a fantastic cocktail.
Everybody likes Jungle Bird.
Tiki-like.
Lyman likes the Jungle Bird. I think he got the Jungle Bird at False Idol Tiki when we went out there to Falls.
Oh, did he?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
one of
Is
our
it a
drinks.
Brady Bunch reference?
It's a cocktail bar in San Diego.
Yeah,
but is
Speakeasy. Might be.
No, could
False
be.
Idol. Like, oh, no, I guess it wasn't a false idol. Was it a false idol?
It was a cursed idol.
Cursed idol.
Cursed
that's
idol.
right, yeah. So probably not a Brady Bunch reference, but still. I made a Brady Bunch reference. And
Yes, you
he
did.
figured it out because
Oh.
he knows references to every fucking thing.
Oh, of course he does.
Well, everybody knows the Brady Bunch reference. That was their extended special,
I
right?
don't-
Where they went to Hawaii.
Yes, I know, but I don't think everybody does. I think it's just people that are Gen X.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Hey, Brianna, do you remember that episode of the Brady Bunch where they went to Hawaii? Have you ever watched the Brady Bunch?
I don't know what you're talking about.
She doesn't know what the Brady Bunch
I know
Well-
about the bunch. I just never seen it.
Did.
A couple generations removed. It's,
Yeah.
It's excusable.
The Brady Bunch.
Popular
Yeah.
episode, or
Cool.
My
Quite-
drag queen likes it. Trixie Mattel.
See? If you're a
Boom.
drag queen.
See?
Right, in the comments.
I don't know why you have a drag queen.
Yeah.
I
That
have
seems-
two.
It seems a little odd to own people. I don't know.
It just sounds like straight judgment from me.
No, no.
Sounds like straight slavery from you. I don't know.
Question of the day, right down the doobly-doo.
It's gay slavery.
Oh, so it's okay?
Oh, yeah.
That makes it okay to persecute
It's
the gays
okay.
a little bit more?
Yeah.
Did you watch the Brady Bunch as a child and or adult?
Yeah.
I did.
Come on.
And it might have even been.
You're going to
when it
get
was
along
first
fine
filmed.
in North Carolina.
You're already going down there ahead of the game.
Um,
Oh my god.
I'm catching up now. The recipe.
Well, yeah. What's in
What are we doing?
What's in a
What
jungle
are we
bird?
doing in a jungle
What's
bird?
in a
It's
jungle
an ounce and
bird?
a half of dark rum, blackstrap rum. I would go with like a Gosling, something that's a kind of a dark rum straddling the blackstrap. It's not too like
Of course you go
medicinal.
with Goslings. That's what we do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Not only would you, but you do.
I did. I would go with it. Half ounce pineapple juice. No, half ounce of Campari.
Yes. The red stuff.
Ounce and a half of pineapple juice. Half ounce of lime juice. Half ounce of rich simple syrup. But we use regular simple syrup because
Wait, ounce and a half of pineapple? Yeah, I did that. I think I did that.
Yeah, I watched you. I was like, oh, that's a lot of pineapple.
Oh,
And then I looked at the recipe and I was like, oh no, he's doing it right.
we got
See-
the right amount of pineapple.
So here's
It's
a
okay.
trick for you. This is always a good one.
Now he's pulling all the shit out.
When purchasing your Goslings, just be careful of labeling. Maybe they've changed it, but this
They're bubbles
says
'cause
151.
Oh.
There has been multiple occasions where people have used this here for that and went, holy fuck, because this stuff is strong.
Oh, that's a big difference.
Yeah, but it's hard to tell because if
Oh,
you're
we got
just
some iceberg
looking-
action.
Oh.
The ice is shifting. It's kind of cool. You'll see it on the camera when you do the thing.
We have some ice. We have some Arctic
when I do the
motion.
thing,
Iceberg.
when I do the thing.
Looks like false teeth in
I
there.
know, right? Isn't that great?
Right.
It's like because the ice was a little bit compressed. It's kind of stuck
Yeah.
together.
Look at that.
False teeth?
Yeah, look at it.
It's a
Looks
little
like,
bit like a
looks
this,
like a little
this
bit of
always
a
reminds
grow.
me a little bit of a sling.
Oh, because of the color.
And the pineapple.
Well, yeah, but the difference is
Yeah, but it
the sling has like grenadine to give you the red and probably
I'll try it
Demerara.
first.
This
Because
does
that's
not,
Campari. Yeah.
No, the sling has gin.
but the red. There's red
It
in the
does
sling, right?
though.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
What does it have? Oh, because the blackstrap flavor. Like, does it have like the
It tastes a lot like a Singapore sling.
Mhm.
The good version.
the cherry herring gives that like that brown sugar.
It's just a little bitter.
Yeah, it's like a bitter.
Jen can even handle this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if
This is
you,
a beautiful drink. I love a jungle.
if
bird.
if my hand is still red.
Is that
So-
what we had in the big swan? Was it a jungle bird?
Probably. You're talking
No,
about like
because I think they floated Campari, didn't they? in this
Oh
one?
wow.
you're
Oh,
talking about
did it?
Shanghai
Maybe they mixed it all.
Yeah.
I don't know. But it was-
Szechuan Garden too.
Yeah, we went to
Yeah.
Szechuan Garden and got the big.
It was a really
They're
big
like,
swan.
Let's do the swan, okay? And I'm
That's
like,
so good.
oh my god, that's Campari.
That was a tough night. I literally went downstairs because it was winter, and I like started the car, and I was like,
It's like we might not be getting home.
It's a big drink.
Yeah. So this drink
it's really good.
I think is the
Mm.
best introduction you can have to Campari
Mm.
because
And maybe even Tiki.
Oh my god, I feel like I want it to be like cherry herring inside. Like I
Right.
really, yeah.
the pineapple
Mm.
coming in, like the pineapple and that smoky like cherry flavor almost gives you that sling taste,
Yeah.
Yeah,
but then it hits you with the bitter.
yeah,
Yeah,
No,
but
no.
bitter's not like it's not like a Negroni bitter. It's not like a
Well, it's
like an
because
Amaro
you're
bitter.
yeah. It's not a strong bitter.
it's like a Negroni bitter, but it stops before it gets to the Negroni.
It doesn't
level.
kill you.
Yeah.
Your mouth dries out a little bit towards
Mm.
the end, which makes
Yeah.
you want to sip again.
But yeah, like
Mm.
now it's more bitter now that it's like sat and
Yeah.
I'm getting it now. Yeah, now I'm like I gotta get another sip because I need to get rid of that bitter flavor, and it's just
It actually does get pretty bitter after a couple
Mm.
sips. Not
and then
bitter,
you have to
bitter,
keep
but-
doing it in order to refresh.
Yeah, but it dries you out a little bit. It dries your mouth out a little
Mm.
bit.
It's sort of like
Which
how
is
when I have to go for like a 3+ maybe 13-hour drive, whatever, I have to stop at every Dunkin' on the way because I got to keep refreshing because you just gotta.
Do you run out of Dunkins at some point when you go far south?
I don't know. I haven't.
Yes, probably.
You're gonna find out.
There's only one in my new town.
See Dunkin',
One in the whole
Waffle
town.
House.
Yeah.
that is-
You gotta hit a Waffle House.
You're gonna have to drink
You're
like
going to the
honeydew
Waffle
or
House.
something.
Tucked
Yeah.
away.
So the problem is it's just like you drink a coffee and you have to pee, so you stop at a Dunkin'. I can already explain it to you. The only reason I buy
refill.
another drink is because I'm using their bathroom, and I don't feel like I should just go and use their bathroom and leave. I should buy
You're-
something,
Sounds like a
You are
strong
a good
business model.
citizen.
right? Like that's what you do. Like
They've got it all figured out. They know how to keep a captive audience.
that, and you never know when you walk into some of those places where they're a little super aggressive and they lock the door, and like you've never seen
you
it?
have to
Oh
You
yeah,
have to
yeah.
ask the
that's for key.
cash register
Yeah.
for the key,
Oh,
which
the
they will
bathroom.
give you. Yeah.
Oh, I'm like, they lock you in? I think that's against fire. It's been a while since I took my occupational health safety.
Are you gonna drink
class.
that shit?
No. You go in, but and they will,
That is
they will
aggressive
still
sales
probably
pitch.
there's a
Like you
level.
buy something you're not
I might
leaving.
report that to the BBB. I don't
we
know.
really got to off topic just
Yeah.
because this thing's a little bitter.
Somehow we're trapped into a
Yeah,
fucking
now we're like halfway in North Carolina. We're
Now we're
trapped in the D&Ds.
We're trying to pee and we can't.
You
without
can't
permission.
pee.
right.
You gotta drink a cup. You have to drink the whole coffee before they let you pee. Like,
Yeah.
You just gotta buy it.
No, yeah, they don't care if you drink it at all. I mean, it's Dunkin'. It's just fucking dirty bean water anyway. Yeah, I keep sipping this thing. So, like, it has like molasses almost. Well, that's probably maybe from the
Blackstrap.
Jocelyn.
Mm.
Yeah, like molasses and like a smoky flavor or something, and then like you've got your sour, but you get your pineapple like right up front,
yeah.
and then you get like a hint of Campari, and then at the end it gives you a little bit of nut tap.
The vanilla nut taps.
And it hits you, and you're like, ooh.
Tell them about your favorite donuts. Tell them how you like the vanilla nut taps.
Mm. Damn
I
it.
was really close.
We were.
You know, spit Campari all over my camera.
You know this Saturday Night Live episode
No.
about Dunkin' Donuts with Casey Affleck on it?
No. Dude, the
I'm
last time-
outside. I'm outside, kid.
I'm not inside.
Yeah, I'm not inside, kid.
the last time I watched,
I don't know what you're talking about. The cigarette's clearly outside.
the last time I think I watched Saturday Night Live was like 89,
All right, we're pulling that up.
like Dana Carvey level.
You're
like-
just talking about Dunkin' Donuts.
How do you
gotta watch
not? Yeah.
because I don't like. It's not that funny.
it. This is.
No, this is.
Oh, I get it. Like I'm sure, like if they had a clip
They,
on.
they have their moments. I'm not saying Saturday Night Live in
No,
general
if you
is
watch all the
hilarious,
highlights of the best skits, I get it.
We covered a lot of shit.
Like,
We went from Brady Bunch
but It's all
to driving and how you plan out your pee stops and
Yeah.
your coffee runs.
you start with
To Saturday Night Live, is it shit or is it still good? Like lots of places.
Yeah. That's how Tiki needs to be. Tiki is an exploration.
Brings you.
Yeah, it's exploration of
It is
social norms.
a gateway to a mind fuck.
All right. We gotta end this episode so Derek can watch the Dunkin' Donuts video.
Yeah.
All right. So I suggest you try a Jungle Bird.
Mm.
Maybe it's your first introduction into Campari. Maybe you love Campari. This is one of the only Campari drinks I like. And it still has that Tiki. Tiki has a little bit of a bitter bite at the end, and that's
It
kind of like
should.
what makes it. It's supposed to fight back.
Yeah.
And so the Jungle Bird's the thing that fights back.
If we're gonna teach you to drink, you need to learn how to drink bitter drinks.
No, you don't.
Yeah. Because
Promote
sometimes
the
you
show,
end up in a
Jen.
small bar, and the only thing they serve you are bitter
And
drinks.
you do it to Dan.
Yeah.
all of those things have happened.
Yeah.
That's it, my friends. We were teaching you how to drink. Check out the Awesome Drinks link down below for your bartender starter kit.